In this video, I will show you how to private or unlist all YouTube videos at once. First, go to youtube.com. Sign into the account that has the videos you want private or unlisted. Now click on the profile icon on the top right and select the option YouTube Studio. You will be taken to the back end of your YouTube channel. Select the content option on the left side. You will see all your videos. Now check the box here to highlight all your videos. Now click on Edit and select the Visibility option. A new menu will pop up, allowing you to select between public, private, or unlisted. Select Private and click on Update Video. You will be prompted to check the box that you understand the changes. Click on Update Video again and all your videos will be private. You can also unlist the videos. However, it only applies to videos that are older than 2017. Anything before that cannot be unlisted. You can also make your videos public again by checking the Select All box again, choose Visibility, and change the option from private to public to make it visible. Thanks for watching.